Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this, the Ehaho RGB floor lamp. It's a living room LED dimmable 20-watt LED floor lamp with RGB modern Uplighter with a remote control and 1300 lumen power. From 3000K up to 6000K for Kelvin, and a touch display on the lamp itself, so you can use the remote and the touch function. It's a floor lamp, a reading lamp for the living room, for the bedroom, for the office, and for hotels, of course. With your dimmable and adjustable device, from 5% up to 100%, infinitely dimmable brightness level. Different color temperature from 3000K to 6000K are possible. We can adjust the preferred light. The floor lamp helps us to drive away darkness and gloom in the room. Increase the feeling of the comfort in the room. Dynamic RGB mode comes to us with the Uplighter. Use the true color technology. No color distortion. With 7 colors: red, green, blue, purple, orange, light blue, and bright white, which can be adjusted by our dynamic mode. We can choose the speed for jump gradient, for example, or improve the atmosphere when watching movies, games, and entertainment. And it creates a good and pleasant environment and a smooth theme. And we have remote control, and if we like, touch control, because the magnetic remote can be firmly attached to the LED light pole to prevent of the loss. This offers different lighting modes to meet different needs, such, for example, reading, working, leisure, makeup, crafts, breastfeeding, sleeping, and so on. About timer function, it's equipped with a built-in timer that automatically shuts off after 60 minutes to ensure the right amount of light so we can fall asleep well. And it's energy saving because this lamp uses the long-lasting energy-efficient LEDs that provides uniform light and consumes the less power. It reduces the glare and the prevent eye fatigue. And the lightweight and elegant design, it is perfect for use at home, in the office. And the long life of the floor lamp saves money and energy, as maintenance and replacement costs are reduced, of course. And it makes a good job, and it comes in an RGB light stuff. We can choose between red, orange, green, white, blue, and purple. This is nice. This is easy to assemble, as you can see, because you have only segments there which you have to screw in together. Then dock this lamp to the power supply, and after this step you're ready. You can then choose between the touch area to operate this lamp, or you can use the remote, or you can use both of them while you're maybe nearly or on the go, as you like it. Then after a couple of seconds you can operate it, because it is intuitive to use and intuitive to operate with this lamp here. This is cool. That's nice. This is a nice cool LED lamp for home. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.